So you need a little extra cash, but you can only work during the evenings. I know a little something about that. I am a full-time stay-at-home mom. That means I get a couple hours if I'm lucky during the day while my daughter naps, and I have about 2 hours in the evening after she goes to bed before I go to bed to get a little bit of work done. So my time is very limited. I get it. Yours is too. So I'm about to share 5 legit side hustles that you can do from home at night. All right, first up, of course, I'm going to talk about digital products. This is honestly the best side hustle to do at night that nobody's talking about. With digital products, you can really create something one time and sell it forever. And what's great about digital products is that the options are truly endless. It could be anything from coloring book pages to Notion templates to ebooks to chore charts, checklists, or even bigger ticket items like courses. You could spend the few hours that you have in the evenings before bed after your kiddos go to sleep working on creating a digital product. And what's great about it is you don't need a huge following. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need to have a ton of tech skills. All you really need is to solve a problem for somebody, create a high quality product in a platform like Canva. Use AI to help you fill out the pieces that you're not sure how to answer or how to beef it up a little bit, and start selling it on a platform like System.io. In fact, we have creators in our community making anywhere from $400 in 24 hours up to $34,000 in just 2 weeks. These are amazing, amazing numbers, and should be proof that just one really awesome digital product can make you thousands of dollars long after you've spent the time creating it. If you're serious about freedom and want to stop trading your time for money, this is definitely one of the best ways to do it. It's scalable, it's flexible, and something you can build up at night 1 hour at a time. And if you like the idea of selling digital products, but you're not sure what the best one is for you, I recommend checking out our digital product discovery bot. You can download it totally free and it will help you figure out the best digital product for you. I will link it down in the description box. Okay, next side hustle idea that you can do at night is Cambly. Cambly is a platform where you can actually chat with language learners via webcam. This is a cool idea for people who are insomniacs, they can't sleep very well, and they want to be making a little extra cash. You're actually going to get paid per minute booked, anywhere from around 17 cents to 20 cents per minute. So roughly about $10 to $12 per hour. Now, I know that's not a ton of money, but we're talking about side hustles that you can do when you can't fall asleep or while you're just kind of mindlessly scrolling before bed, those types of things. So this is definitely a solid option if you have a few extra hours at night. Plus, it can definitely add up over the long term, especially if you are being consistent about it and logging on when demand is highest. If you're already awake late at night, this might be a great option for you. Why not earn a little bit of money while having a conversation? Next is a website called Appen. This is a great one if you want to just do some little odd end micro tasks in spare chunks of time that you have. The options on here are things like voice recordings, tagging images, short surveys. And what's great about it is that it is super, super easy to get started. The pay is definitely going to vary on this one, and they can range from anywhere from $5 to $15 per hour. However, there are some more specialized tasks available on this platform that go for upwards of $20 per hour. So there's definitely quite a few options here, and you'll have to spend some time digging around, figuring out what is going to be the best type of odd tasks for you to do, what's going to be the most worth your time to be pulling in a few extra dollars in the evenings after your kids go to bed. I do love this one because it's flexible, it's beginner friendly, and you're not going to need to submit a resume to get started. All right, fourth idea for you is called Mod Squad, and this is perfect for those of us who love social media. What is Mod Squad? It is a platform that you can help moderate online communities. Within there, you'll also moderate content and engage with the members. So this is kind of a unique idea. If you like things like Facebook communities, Facebook groups, there's a lot of times moderators for those. Although there's also more options out there for groups not within the Facebook platform. Again, this is mostly going to be contract type of work and going to pay anywhere from probably $12 to $18 per hour. This is a really great option if you like Facebook groups, you like being part of online communities and helping moderate people on those communities. Sometimes these can be offered as a W-2 opportunity, so just make sure you're clear on whether this is a contractor 1099 versus a W-2 so you can plan accordingly for your taxes. If these side hustles are sparking ideas for you, imagine what's possible if you build something that runs on autopilot. And that's exactly what we teach in our free training. Things like how to create digital products, how to grow on YouTube, and other done for you tools. If you're curious and checking that out, make sure you check out the link down in my description box. All right, and the fifth side hustle idea I have for you is called Alarica. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. This is a platform that offers a wide variety of customer service type of tasks. And again, what's great about it is that it doesn't have to be done during the 9 to 5 hours. It can be done in the evenings during your free time. There's a wide variety of roles on this website, from tech support to answering customer service emails and other general inbound roles. Not all of them are going to be basic entry-level opportunities, so make sure you read the description of each one to figure out what's going to be the best fit for you. Again, this is going to be anywhere in the $12 to $17 per hour price point range. But I do think that if you're looking for something that has a little bit more structure, this might be a really good fit for you. So there you have it. Those are my 5 side hustle ideas for you that you can get started doing at night in your free time, maybe during your baby's nap time. That's what I do. Now, these aren't huge moneymaker opportunities. They're probably not going to replace your 9 to 5 anytime soon, but they could definitely help out as side hustle income to help pay your bills, pay for groceries, maybe even save up to pay for a fun vacation. At worst, you're just making a little bit of extra money doing something that you're already doing, which is hanging out, being up at night. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try any of these this week. And if you want more ideas for some nighttime only jobs, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel more specifically, and you want to figure out how to actually take it to the next level, you can grab our YouTube script template, which will help you script your videos to grow better on YouTube. You can grab that completely free down in the link in the description box as well. All right, now that you know 5 side hustles that you can start doing at night, you might be thinking, well, I have a YouTube channel and I want to know how I can start making money on day one. Well, it all starts by watching this video, because when you pair what you learned in this video with that video, it is way more powerful. I'll see you in the next one.